So just taking a quick look here, you wanna look at these wires, and you can see that one of them's brown, one of them's green and yellow, and the other one's blue. So just look for whatever matches that in here, and it looks like it's this one. So, and none of the other ones seem to match that. So we're gonna take it down, and it's also the same thickness. So it's a pretty good estimate that that's the right one. So what we got to do is we just got to take this out, take it out of this whole chain, and disconnect it. So I'm gonna do that quickly, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Okay, so I was able to pull out the cord. I just did it by kind of desegmenting these spots here and just pulling it through. I'm hoping I can, slide this one back through a similar way, but I suspect that might be a bit more difficult, and I might have to make a lot more segments or something like that. Okay, quick update. So it's actually pretty easy to slide this through. You just gotta kind of push from this side and then keep one hand here and just keep these flat so they don't get caught. And yeah, I'm halfway through. It's been like 10 minutes. It's way faster than I expected. Now just reconnect all these little plastic pieces and then hook them up into the correct spots. So I'm going to quickly do that and then show you. So this is the wire that we're to our pump, and it's going to be the yellow and green is going to be to the yellow and green, and that's generally true for most machines. It's pretty common grounding color. Then we got the blue and the black are hooked up together, and the red and this sort of brown color are hooked up together. I will just throw in there, if you've bought a pump from a different manufacturer than me, those colors could be different. Okay, so now the pump is all hooked up here. I have it in this bucket of water just so we can test that it works. Okay, now hooked it up to the saw. Let's test again. And we got water. So this tile saw is back to working. Fantastic. The only thing I gotta do is screw in a couple screws here, just 2. So there you go. It's really everything you need to know on how to fix the water pump for one of these machines. And yeah, I know the video is kind of choppy, so if you have any questions, let me know in the description and I'll try and answer them. It's my first one. I'm doing my best here. This is obviously a new channel, so I'm going to try and focus on fixing and showing you guys larger construction equipment like this, so that you can save, repair costs, and subscribe if you want to see more.